Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the do's and don'ts of ear care. Let's ensure your ears stay healthy and happy. Do's of ear care. 1. Keep your ears dry. Moisture can lead to ear infections. After swimming or showering, gently dry your ears with a clean towel. Remember, a dry ear is a happy ear. 2. Protect your ears. Use earplugs or earmuffs in noisy environments. When exposed to loud music or machinery, safeguard your hearing. Prevention is key. 3. Maintain good hygiene. Regularly clean the outer part of your ears using a soft cloth or cotton swab. Avoid inserting anything deep into the ear canal. Let your ears do their natural self-cleaning. 4. Stay up to date with vaccinations. Certain vaccinations can prevent ear infections, especially in children, like flu and pneumococcal vaccines. Consult your healthcare provider for guidance. 5. Seek professional help. If you experience persistent ear pain, hearing loss or discharge, consult a healthcare provider promptly. Don't ignore any signs of trouble. Don'ts of ear care. 1. Avoid cotton swabs, Q-tips. Inserting cotton swabs into the ear canal can push wax deeper and cause damage. Let's leave the Q-tips for other tasks and keep them away from our ears. 2. Don't overclean. The ear canal is self-cleaning. Excessive cleaning can disrupt the natural balance and lead to problems. Be gentle and let your ears maintain their own hygiene. 3. Skip ear candling. Ear candling is ineffective and potentially dangerous. It can cause burns and worsen earwax impaction. Stick to safer methods. Step-by-step ear cleaning. Gather supplies: soft cloth or tissue, warm water, rubber bulb syringe if removing earwax, towel. Outer ear cleaning. Gently wipe the outer ear with a soft cloth or tissue. Avoid inserting anything into the ear canal. Earwax removal if needed. Soften earwax using baby oil or mineral oil. After a day, use warm water to flush out softened wax. Tilt your head and pull your outer ear up and back to straighten the ear canal. Remember, keep ears dry after swimming or bathing. Protect your ears from loud noises.